Welcome back to yet another entertaining episode on Maxi channel. We got it all covered right here. From close calls, crashes, kindness, road rage and even bikers versus police moments. All those things can be seen right here on this channel. And the only thing you need to do is sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. This truck driver didn't want to stop until he forced his way in front of the biker. What was the purpose of his move if he got stuck in traffic as well?
NANI?!
Kurwa, debil jesteś! I got a stop sign! Got a stop sign! You got a stop sign!
A lady thought that she was riding a bike instead of a smart car as she filtered through. This move nearly resulted in biker crashing. Even though this driver had plenty of space to make a safe pass, he chose to make it really dangerous and risky for the biker.
Hello, I'm back. So, today I want to talk to you about...
This clip should serve as a reminder to all the drivers out there to always keep an eye on their mirrors while reversing. We've said a million times so far, but indicating does not give you the right of way. Drivers should check their mirrors if they want to keep everyone around them safe.
My name is Jeff.
You are done. Fired.
Biker was all lit up like a Christmas tree, and this lady still failed to notice him. This just goes to show you that these guys don't pay attention at all.
What the f? I'm wearing a big ass helmet.
Bist du bescheuert? Hey, I saw that dope out in front of you. Is that what happened?
Oh, no.
Oh, I was like, you.
Nice. Like the white man.
Thanks, bud. Due to the fact that it's not a omnidirectional microphone, going through my research, I found
Whenever you encounter someone on the road that needs help, like this stranded couple, do pull over and help, because it won't cost you anything. However, it might be huge for someone else.
I'm just a guy. Hello. Are you guys alright?
Yeah.
Stuck without petrol, ne? Have you got a knife on you? Don't you wanna cut it with a key?
Yeah.
Hello guys. Hello. Say hi. Hello. We're out of petrol, so we decided to help them out.
This lady could use all the possible help she could get. Biker couldn't turn a blind eye, and this is what happened when he noticed her. Check it out.
You okay? Here. That's all I got. God bless you. You're welcome. Pound. Trying to get warm, get dry.
Semi-truck driver cut in front of the biker, but he didn't even stay in that lane. Biker was nearly hospitalized because of his carelessness. This has got to be one of the poorest lane discipline drivers we've encountered so far. He took up the entire road like it belonged to him. Biker bought a brand new tire and he decided to put it to the test in a brutal burnout. Check out what he did to his tire.
Done yet? Nah, she's getting hit with rubber. What are you talking about? She's not done. It did, bro. This wasn't here, bro. Ripped up the seat, bro. Damn! Is it ripped on my back, bro?
This crazy driver dangerously passed the biker, but that's only the beginning of this crazy encounter. Watch how it all unfolded when the biker pulled up to him. Driver got mad at the bikers for not moving immediately after the green lights appeared. Further down the road, they pulled over and the whole situation looked like this.
You the one beeping.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Tailgating bikers is a really dangerous thing to do, because in a case of slightest contact, the biker will go down with severe injuries. Drivers don't think about this at all.
You flashing knobhead! I wanna fight you. Are you? Hey? Are you flashing? Got your head knobhead!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Encountering drivers like this is a daily situation for this biker. He's been in so much close calls that it became like a normal thing to him. After a while, you develop sharp reflexes, but it's still bad to see drivers behaving like this.
Boltul să-ți fie de tot, bă, numai ăștia, bă. Au, ce bine parcate astea. Aici. Nici nu-i vezi pe ăștia, bă.
Spulberă-ți ideile astea.
Ce faci, mă?
Fă-te om, alungă-ți gândul necistit.
Jesus, man. I was looking, you were going too fast.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. The clips you saw should serve as a lesson for you on what's right and what's not to do in traffic. It's our goal to make you think twice before making any rush decisions. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe. And until the next episode, ride safe and stay safe.